Hello, everyone. Today, I am going to show you how people are using AI and ChatGPT to build automated digital income systems online. And yes, this exact system has the potential to generate up to $20,000 per month using completely automated AI workflows. This is the best part. You don't need to be a coding expert, you don't need expensive software, and you don't need years of experience. This is a beginner friendly AI digital marketing system that can run on autopilot once you have everything set up properly. Now, let me show you everything. First, let me log into my WordPress website and show you the earnings. Let me log in. Now, this is my WordPress website, one of my digital product selling websites. Let me go to the dashboard. Here you can see my today's earnings, my last 7 days earnings, my last 30 days earnings, this month's earnings, and also last month's earnings. Let me refresh the page so you can understand better. Okay, now this is my earnings website. I am making this from selling digital products using AI and ChatGPT. Here is another website. Let me log in. The answer is incorrect. That's why the login failed. Okay, this is another one of my websites. Let me go to the analytics. This is my all-time earnings. Here in the report section, you can see today's earnings. Let me show you yesterday's earnings and last week's. This is the income I am making. Everything here is put together using automation, AI tools, digital products, affiliate systems, and traffic generation methods. Most of the work is handled using ChatGPT and AI automation tools. That means once the setup is completed, the system can continue working 24/7 even while sleeping, traveling, or doing your regular job. Now, let me show you what you will be learning inside the AI DigiProfit Income Engine course. Strategies for finding the perfect business name, a simple guide to buying a domain and hosting, setting up your WordPress website from scratch to a professional look, how to source digital products and upload them to your sites. This is the most important part, and I will teach you everything step by step. Facebook Pixel and business account setup just like a professional marketer, creating Facebook ads and video content shortcuts with ChatGPT, running Facebook ads with ChatGPT from audience targeting to sales, payment gateway integration, scaling your AI DigiProfit system to $20,000 per month, a secret traffic system, both free and paid, to drive massive sales. I will provide you with secret free and paid traffic sources to generate massive sales, and you will also get lifetime support and instant access. Another part I will show you is how to make a complete website within 10 minutes using AI. This will take hardly 10 to 15 minutes to build a website complete with hosting, an SSL certificate, and all the details. You will also get many more bonuses here. Everything is explained step by step in a simple, practical way. You just need a PC or laptop, an internet connection, basic internet knowledge, and the willingness to take action. Anyone can learn this: students, job holders, freelancers, and beginners. Anyone can start building a digital income system using AI. People who learn AI and automation now will have a huge advantage in the coming years. Don't wait. If you want to join this course and start building your own AI digital income system, check the link in the description right now or visit www.zinology.com to enroll. I have shown every single step clearly inside the course. Thank you for watching, and I will see you inside the training.